Okay. So traceability matrix means, see, I will guide you all these things in the, I will teach, okay, one
Okay.
test case management tool. I will
Mm-hmm.
guide you. In that, I will show how to apply traceability matrix also, okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
But you should
Yeah.
know that there will be a requirement and there will be something called as modules or test cases. So what
Yeah.
you will do, you will map the test cases with the requirement or
Yeah.
Okay.
requirement with the test cases.
Yeah.
Okay.
Before execution is forward traceability matrix. After
Uh-huh.
execution will be backward traceability matrix.
Yes,
If you
sir.
are
Okay.
doing both,
Then it is
then
bidirectional.
it is hybrid or bidirectional. Okay.
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 Yeah.
So whatever the knowledge you are getting, no, this
Yeah.
knowledge forward, backward in the company, they don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it. But what they
Uh-huh.
will do, they will apply the traceability matrix.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
In depth, they don't know. Got it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So once after traceability matrix, we will apply. Then we
Mm-hmm.
can execute the test cases.
Yeah.
Test case execution. This execution also I explained you. What do you mean by test case execution means? There will
Mm-hmm.
be a master test suite. Yes or no?
Yes.
There will
Yes,
be
sir.
a
Yeah.
master test suite. One second, what happened? There will be a master test suite where all the test cases are written.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Once after writing all the test cases in the master test suite, what you
Yeah.
will do? You will create a execution folder
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
where what and all test cases you want to execute, that you will from call or you will copy or you will pull from the master test suite to execution folder.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Execution folder
Mm-hmm.
name will be build name
Okay.
and or release name underscore build name. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
So once after pulling the test cases, there will be uh, actual result status comments. This text field
Yeah.
will be disabled.
Mm-hmm.
Disabled previously, now it will be enabled in the
Yeah.
execution folder. So once
Mm-hmm.
you will run that, as soon as you click on run button, one by one, one by one, one by one, one by one, you can execute.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? So that is
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
how you will execute the test cases. So when you are executing the test cases, chances are there
Mm-hmm.
your test case might fail. Yes or no? Test case
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
failed means what? It is a defect.
Correct.
Defect. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
once after execution of the test cases, next
Mm-hmm.
step will be defect tracking.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So how to track the defects again? First, go to the defect report.
Mm-hmm.
First, go to the defect tracking tool. Sir, no. In
Mm-hmm.
the defect
Yes,
tracking
sir.
tool, search
Mm-hmm.
for a duplicate defect. If there
Yes.
is no duplicate defect you find, create
Mm-hmm.
a new defects.
Yeah.
Yes or no? So
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
give severity, priority, defect summary, steps to reproduce the defect, platform details, attach screenshot, whatever the necessary things are there, all the inputs you give, click on submit button. So as soon as you
Yeah.
click on submit, your defect ID will be generated.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Once after defect ID will be generated, the defect status will be open or new. So
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
communicate the defect with the development lead. If you don't know the
Mm-hmm.
developer, keep this to test lead.
Mm-hmm.
Development
Okay.
lead will look into the defect report. He will assign the defect to the respective developer by changing the status from new or open to assign by keeping CC to the test lead.
Mm-hmm.
Next, developer will go to the first he will reproduce the defect. If he confirms there is a defect, later he will go to the source code, analyze the defect, find the defect, fix the defect. Once after fixing the defect, he will give the patch or respin to the test engineer.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So later he will update the status from fixed to what? Oh, assigned to fix.
Hmm.
Yes or no?
Yep.
Yes,
So
sir.
later, test engineer will retest the defect. If the defect is fixed, we will close. If the defect is not fixed, we'll reopen. That
Correct.
story
Yes,
we
sir.
will do in a
Yeah.
defect checking. Once after
Yeah.
defect
Correct.
is tracked, next
Mm-hmm.
status, test case execution report.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean by test case execution report means? Once after execution of all the test cases, you can check in my notes I have given.
Mm-hmm.
There will
Yes,
be a
sir.
serial number. Yes or no? Later,
Yeah.
there is something called as number of test cases written,
Mm-hmm.
number of test cases executed, number of test cases are passed, number of test cases failed, pass percentage,
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
and fail percentage. It's there or not there?
Yes, sir. There.
Yeah.
It's there,
Yeah.
no?
Yes, sir.
No need of generating the report. No need of entering like a data analyst. Enter data. No need of enter. There will be a extract report. Something will be there. Button.
Mm-hmm.
Click on the
Yeah.
button. As soon as you
Mm-hmm.
click on the button, no,
Mm-hmm.
it will ask, you want the report based on the release, you want the report based on the test case, something like that. There will be
Oh,
several
Yeah.
okay.
options. So we will
Uh-huh.
take by release.
Okay.
For first release, if you select that, so how many test cases you have written for this release, how many
Uh-huh.
test cases you are executed, how many test cases are passed, how many test cases are failed, pass percentage, fail percentage, will automatically tool will create and it will give you a result. If
Okay.
the pass percentage is more than 90%, no,
Yeah.
then you can exit from the functional testing, you can go for the integration testing.
Correct. Okay.
If it is less than 90%, then you should communicate developer to fix the remaining defects as well. Do the
Yeah.
retest, make the test cases are passed. So
Yeah.
passed means pass percentage will increase. Once
Mm-hmm.
it will be reached 90, then you can go for the integration testing
Mm-hmm.
based on the execution report only. I will show you this
Okay.
as well.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Once after execution report will be done, later we have a retrospective meeting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You guys already know retrospective means end.
Yeah.
So meeting or project closure meeting. If you are doing a retrospective meeting based on the agile, so that will be sprint retrospective meeting or release
Uh-huh.
retrospective meeting.
Yeah. Yep.
There will
Yeah.
be something called as project closure meeting.
Yeah.
Once the complete project is completed, no, that time also we'll do the meeting called as project closure meeting,
Yes, sir.
where your business analyst or scrum master will ask you what you have done these many
Yeah.
days.
Yeah.
Is it all went in a good way or right direction?
Correct. Yep.
Got it? Everything
Yes.
went well or
Uh-huh.
not went well. Why it is not went well? Or what are the defects you faced? This type
Yeah.
of questions will be discussed in the project closure meeting.
Correct.
Okay.
So whatever now I have done now, this is
Yeah.
complete PLC process. This is what you will do as a manual test engineer in the company.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it? So
Yeah.
Yep.
you completely got the process how the company will work.
Mm.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So what
Yep.
I'll do now, I will try to create a test case management tool. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
So just give me a 5 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
I will create it. Later, let me go now only with uh, the test case management tool. Okay. I will guide
Okay.
you
Okay.
from now only. It will be good.
Okay.
Okay.
Till that time, just revise.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So basically in the
Yeah.
companies, okay, they will use the tools like defect tracking tool and test case management tool
Yeah.
or directly the project management tool. Okay.
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 So what I'll do, I will teach you the test case management tool now.
Okay, sir.
Okay. And
Yeah.
defect tracking tool, I will guide you.
Okay.
Defect tracking tool, though I told you already, I will use something which is used in my company, so that recording session, though you will not get,
Okay. No problem. Yeah.
but you can learn.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. Just 2 minutes, done almost.
Okay.
Okay. So I will share you the credentials now in the WhatsApp. So I have shared your mail ID, okay,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
and password with the URL.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So let us see.
Mhm.
First, I will guide you.
Okay.
Later, you can create. If you find any defects or any doubts, I will help you with it. Okay.
Mhm.
So let me log out. Okay. So
Mm-hmm.
you are whatever the email ID, that is my mail ID itself.
Mhm.
The screen is visible, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is.
See, this is the tool, guys. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
you will be having your mail ID, password.
Okay.
Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
You should enter your credentials to log in into the tool. Test trial is one of the tool which will be widely used in India.
Okay.
Now
Okay.
we are using the tool. This will be a free version or trial version.
Okay.
So as soon as you log in, right? As soon as you
Mm-hmm.
log in, see empty, nothing is there.
Yeah.
So your Scrum Master will create the project.
Mm-hmm.
I am the Scrum Master. I will add the project. Okay. My
Mm-hmm.
project name is, let me take a project as Amazon only. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Any announcements if you want to give. Announcements means
Comment.
you can tell that budget also. First you can tell it is a belongs to which domain. Okay. This is a
Mm-hmm.
e-commerce.
Okay.
Duration, how many months will be there? 1 year or 2 years. Few companies will discuss the budget also. Full transparent companies.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Some $1 billion or some $100, $1,000, $10,000, something.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So Next, if you want this announcement should be showed, then you should click on the checkbox. Got it?
Mhm.
Yeah.
So use a single repository for all the test cases. This will be used for the manual testing. Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
This whatever the use a single repository with a baseline platform. Baseline testing is what is the baseline testing? Baseline testing is what? Your performance testing is also called as baseline testing. Got it?
Yeah.
So if you want to do performance testing, you should go for the second option.
Okay.
But we should always select the first option. Got it?
Okay.
Enable test case approvals. Yes, enable. Next,
Mhm.
add project. Okay,
Okay.
just give the name, checkbox. So check karo, add the project.
Okay.
Now, see here, dashboard page will display overview page. See here,
Mhm.
in the company only Amazon project will be there, or there will be multiple projects.
Okay.
You both will create one project by yourself. Okay, just click on
Okay.
here, add project, create the project. First, what is the thing? Without project, can you test the software? No, always
No.
you should create the project. So I have created the Amazon project.
Mhm.
So similarly, this project will be created by whom? This project will be created by the Scrum Master. Once after is created, that he will handle the agile. What he will do? He will handle the agile. I told you, he will give you a task. He will create the task.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So
Yeah.
milestones means release year. Got it? Milestones
Okay.
means release. Add milestone means first release or release
Okay.
one.
Mhm.
Okay.
Is creating release one.
Mhm.
References means requirement. SRS 1 to SRS 10.
Okay.
So
Okay.
1 to 10 you have to create.
Mhm.
For release there will be no parent. Okay.
Mhm.
So what he will do? Why sir means parent means what I will guide you later. Okay.
Mhm.
So for release there will be no parent. Now description. Description says that effort estimations. No. 4 engineers. Okay.
Mhm.
Should work. What are the 4 test engineers? Test engineer 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's details, everything you will add. Later you will give the dates. So
Mhm.
from 25th to next month, 25th. It means 1 month.
Mhm.
Is created the release. See here,
Mhm.
release 1
Yes,
is
sir.
created.
Yeah.
In the release, we are having a sprint. How to
Mhm.
create the sprint means, see here, what you have to do. Release is created. This and all done by the Scrum Master, no need of worrying, but you should know. Okay.
Okay.
So
Mhm.
here there is something called as add milestone. Same,
Mhm.
previously also add milestone was there. Again, you need to click on add milestone. Now sprint 1.
Mhm.
Okay.
Okay. Preferences SRS 1 to SRS 3.
Okay.
Okay.
Parent will be release 1. So in
Okay.
this means this will become a sprint.
Okay.
Mhm.
If you not give any parent, then it will be released.
Got it.
So here only test engineer 1 and test engineer 2 is enough.
Okay.
Okay.
Got it? So you
Yeah.
can mention them also. Got it? So
Yeah.
it will start from tomorrow to 10 days. It means next month, 5 days. Okay, no, maybe 9th. Let us take an example. Okay, you should not
Okay.
click on this milestone is completed. This will be completed when the release retrospective meeting is completed. No, sprint
Okay.
retrospective meeting is completed. That time they will click on this one, they will complete. This
Okay.
Okay.
milestone, this sprint is completed.
Yeah.
When we'll do, once we'll do the sprint retrospective meeting, that time we can do. So see here, now inside the release, we got a sprint.
Yeah. Yep.
So still we have not written any test cases, nothing, no failed, no passed, nothing is there.
Yeah.
So first what I have done, I have created the project.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Once after creating the project, next go inside the project,
Uh-huh.
go to milestone here, milestone.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
In the milestone, add milestone,
And stones.
first release, later release, sprints. So one release is having only one sprint, or no, my release is having 3 sprints.
Okay.
Okay.
I have created one. Again, I have to add the milestone, sprint
Okay.
2,
Uh-huh.
sprint 2, reference SRS 1, 2, 3 I have covered. Now SRS
Mm-hmm.
4 to SRS 8. Getting right? So it will
Yes,
comes
sir.
under the
Yeah.
release 1 only. So now 1, 2, 3, 3 test engineers should be present for this. So previous
Okay.
will be 10 days. So it is ended at the 8, I think, or 9th.
Ninth.
Next, it will start from the 10th. So
Mhm.
from 10th to it will end at the 18th or something like 20th.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay, this milestone creating.
Yeah.
This
Okay.
will be comes under the here sprint 2 is
Yeah.
generated.
Yeah.
Similarly, add sprint 3 SRS.
Mhm.
Again, who will do this? SRS 8 to SRS 10.
Hmm.
All the test engineers should be present. Okay. Again,
Mm-hmm.
it will start from I think 20th and it will end 25th of the
25th.
next month.
Mm.
Okay.
So within the release, we have created the 3 sprints.
Mm-hmm.
See,
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
sub milestones are what? Sub milestones are sprints. Milestones
Okay.
are releases.
Releases.
Releases sprints. Next,
Yes.
test run and result. Test run means execution. Run means execution. Test cases means write the test cases.
Okay.
This is a master test suite where you will write the test
Okay.
cases. Got it?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
first add section always,
Mhm.
okay, there will be something called as folders, test case folders. Okay. So functional testing,
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
you can give description also.
Okay.
See here, folder is
Yes, sir.
created. No?
Yeah. Yeah.
If you select this and if you click on add section, inside this again, there will be one more section will be created like
Okay.
login feature. You want to
Got it.
write test scenarios for
Yeah.
login feature add section. So
Okay.
inside this will get.
Got it.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So add. Oh, sorry. If you click on add section, you will get a direct sections. Like one second.
Okay. Okay.
Let me delete this so it will confuse. So if you click on add section, no. So functional
Uh-huh.
testing is one of the section. Integration testing. Integration testing, it will be one of the again folder. If you want to create the subsections based on the modules. Okay, see here, there is something called as add subsection. If you click on add subsection, you can create for the login.
Login.
Okay,
Okay.
login in the description, what will be there means there will be a requirement. You can
Mm-hmm.
copy requirement and you can keep. So in the test case management tool, requirement will be handled inside the Excel. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
here though, in the Excel you will handle. It
Okay.
means the requirement will be there in the Excel document. You will refer that and you will write the test cases in the test case management tool.
Mm-hmm.
But in the project management tool, directly you can write the requirement also. Here only you can
Okay.
write.
Okay.
Understood?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
that is a
Yeah.
complete. You can write the requirement. You can execute the test cases. You can track the defects. Everything will be there.
Okay.
Mhm.
But here, though, it is not like that. Requirement is only test cases you will manage here. Nothing
Okay.
apart from that. Okay.
Yeah.
So what I have done, I have created the folders. You should
Yeah.
not click on add test case. You should click on add section. So
Okay.
Okay.
add sections like functional integration system, like that
Yeah.
folders will be created. Who will create these folders means test lead will create.
Okay.
Test
Test
lead will
lead.
create. Why he will create? He will assign the work for you, so he will create.
Got it.
Okay.
Got it? So he will
Yeah.
create it. Later, you want to write the test cases. Okay. So for Reena, we have assigned the login feature.
Uh-huh.
What she have to do? We will tell in the meeting. Reena, go and write the test cases for the login. So
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Reena, what she will do? She will log in with her account.
Okay.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
She will log in with her account. So she is working on which project? Amazon project. She will go inside this.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
She want to write the test cases. She will go to the test cases major tab. She
Correct.
will go
Okay.
to the login feature.
Uh-huh.
Here is the login. She will click on
Yeah.
add case. So test
Yes,
case
sir.
name she have to give. Name
Uh-huh.
of the test case will be always. What is the test case name? Project name underscore
Amazon.
Amazon.
module name
Login.
underscore type of
Underscore
testing.
or desk? We have to
No,
put desk, right?
underscore.
Underscore. Okay.
Underscore. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Next, which test case you are writing? First test case you are writing.
First
So
test.
01.
Correct.
So
Yeah.
as soon as you click on tick button, no?
Mm-hmm.
C1, you can see here test case ID will be generated automatically.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Now test case name link is generated. See here, link it is. If you click on
Yeah.
this one, you will get
Yeah.
the test case page. This is the test case page.
Okay.
Oh.
So you
Okay.
have to write this is a template. So how
Yeah.
you can do that, write the template, you can see here there is edit button. Click on edit
Yeah.
button.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
Got it.
here there is something called as header, body, footer, everything. Okay.
Footer. Yeah.
Yeah.
But you can take the test case template as a steps always. Okay. Step by
Okay.
step you will write the test case.
Uh-huh.
So section, you are writing a login feature only,
Yeah.
and
Okay.
template will be steps. Type. It is a which type of testing you are doing. Functional
Functional.
testing, no. So is
Yeah.
there
Yeah.
any functional? No. Acceptance is there.
It's right there.
Accessibility,
It is
automated.
there.
Where
Next
Yeah.
one.
functional. Okay. So click on functional.
Uh-huh.
Priority. Since it is a very important feature, I will give it as a high.
Uh-huh.
Correct.
Status. Ready. Design. Review. What you are doing? You are designing.
Design.
Yes or no?
Yeah.
Got it?
Yep.
So assign to whom you need to assign. Primarily, it is you only.
Yeah.
Right. Right.
Estimated time, no need of writing. SRS, you are referring 1.1 requirement.
Uh-huh.
So
Uh-huh.
requirement you have to mention. You should not miss
Okay.
because you can't apply the traceability matrix later.
Uh-huh.
Got it?
Yeah.
So later there is something called as preconditions. Preconditions may be precondition, and also you have to write the test data here only. In the precondition section, you should write the precondition and test data.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
So that is whatever the test case template I have given, no? In
Uh-huh.
that project name, release name, requirement
Uh-huh.
number, module name, precondition, test data, post condition, severity, test case type.
Uh-huh.
So many things are there. No, if you see here,
Yeah.
nothing is there. Only these many things are there.
Yeah.
Mm.
Because inside the project only we're writing all these things.
Mm-hmm.
Correct.
Inside the release only we're doing all these things. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
So no need of worrying all those things. Okay. Next,
Mm-hmm.
Sir, where is the body? If you want to add the body, here there
Mhm.
is something called as add step link. Got it?
Mhm.
You just click on add step link. So you
Mhm.
will get the step description and expected result. Step
Okay.
description, open the browser and enter the URL. Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yep.
So input also you should give here.
Mhm.
There is no section for the input. In the test
Mhm.
case management tools, input should
Mhm.
be given in the action steps only.
Okay.
Okay.
What is the input?
Mhm.
Amazon.
Amazon.
.com.
www.amazon.in. Okay.
Mhm.
What is your expected result? Welcome page should be displayed. Yes or no?
Mhm. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So I have written. So assume I
Mm.
have created a completely test scenario. I mean test case. Complete test case I have written. So again I'm telling you, first you should write the test case name.
Uh-huh.
You
Okay.
can write the scenario also in the bracket. I told you test case can be written in multiple formats.
Yeah.
Amazon login functional testing 01. Here inside that you can write the scenario also for your reference.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Okay.
Later
Yeah.
section automatically it will be login feature. You should
Yeah.
always go for the steps.
Uh-huh.
Later functional testing. High. Priority will be high.
Hi. Yep.
Uh-huh.
So status, what is the status? Are you doing,
Design.
is the test case ready? No, design. Later it will review. Later it will be ready.
Yeah.
Means the
Okay.
review process. Got it? So
Uh-huh.
Correct.
assign. So it is assigning me only till now. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Later. This will be done by test lead. He will assign the test cases for you to execute. Got it? Here your name
Mm.
also will come.
Mm-hmm.
So estimated time will automatically take. The tool is automatically taking in the backend.
Mm-hmm.
So SRS 1.1. So only it is disabled. You can't type anything. See here.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, you can
Yeah.
type. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Previously it was disabled. Okay. So
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
estimated time it was disabled. Now it is enabled. Maybe we can give now manually, but still tool will take. Okay. No need of worrying.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
So any preconditions are there mentioned? Test status are there mentioned? Write the steps, inputs, click on save test case.
Okay.
Test cases are written.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the
Okay.
my test case number 1. You can see
Yeah.
the test cases here. See here.
Yeah.
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 Understood? Huh?
Yeah.
Sir,
So if
question.
you hmm,
Sir, if the test lead is assigning the features to each test engineer,
hmm,
so because each test engineer has access to this,
yes, yes,
tool, so will they have their names under,
yeah, yeah,
for,
yeah.
okay,
Separate mail ID, separate password, separate name. Your name will be there.
okay,
Mhm.
Now I logged in with my credential. No.
yeah,
Yeah.
Similarly, we'll be having your credentials to log in.
okay,
So once after writing the
uh-huh,
test scenarios, test cases, okay,
uh-huh,
what we have to do, we have to review the test cases. So you can
yeah,
see here, there is something called as export button.
Yeah.
You click
Yeah.
on export,
mm-hmm,
export to Excel. What and
mm-hmm,
all required? What and all fields are required? See here,
Mhm.
mm-hmm,
you need ID, you need title, you need assigned to, you need automation type, you need to created by, created on, estimated time, not required all these things. If you want, you can keep. So
Okay.
expected result, okay.
mm-hmm,
Yeah.
Forecast, something which is automatically selected by that, it's okay, you can keep that, okay. So like this, step references, step expected results, step, you select all the step things, okay.
mm-hmm,
Next, including the separate, you should select separate rows for everything, okay. Click on
mm-hmm,
export. If you click on export, no, your
mm-hmm,
Excel will be generated.
Okay.
okay,
So see,
Okay.
everything
Got.
will be mixed now. So what you
Yeah.
have to do, you should select all. Control A, Alt,
uh-huh,
HOAHOI. So it will be separate. Okay.
okay,
So since we are using the trial version, no, we will not get a complete details.
Yeah.
So for review purpose,
Yeah.
C1 is a test case. Amazon, okay, test scenario name is okay, created by me. Okay, what is the type? Expected result, forecast, high. So see here, step expected result is here, but still one more expected result came, forecast.
Yeah.
In the
Yeah.
company, no, extraction will be, see, we are using a free tool. So
Yeah.
whatever it is giving, we have to take. We can't customize.
Yeah.
If you have a, see, here something, login, name is wrong, got it? So what
Yeah.
I'll do, I will give it as a review comment. I'll make
Okay.
it as a different color, like yellow color.
Okay.
Got it? This is a review
Okay.
comment.
Okay.
Similarly, in the company, there is a different type. They will give the review comments. Welcome page should be displayed. That is what my expected result. Okay, good, done. So now this report I will mail.
Okay.
Now test engineer, what he will do, he will go to that particular feature. He will go to the test case. He need to change. You should not edit, okay? So this is a feature name. No, this is a folder name only wrong. So folder name only wrong means what you have to do? You have to go to the folder name here. You have to change the folder name.
Okay.
Understood?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got the clarity? So review comments, fix the review comments. Once after fixing the review comments, what will happen for your test cases? Test cases is ready, no? Now it
Yeah.
is ready for execution, right? So what we
Okay.
have done,
Change
we
the
have done the
status.
review is also done, ready. Now it is ready.
Yeah.
Okay. Once after test case is ready, you can apply the traceability matrix also. How to apply traceability matrix? Go to reports. Coverage for reference. Click on coverage for reference. Okay. Here you can select the section wise also, like what are the test cases you want to test. Got it? Test case wise you
Yeah.
can select, or section wise or reference wise, however you want. Basically, you can go with the section wise only. Functional testing or something like this. You can select multiple also, I think. 1 second. Right. 1 second. So once you executed, no? So based on the execution folder also you can collect, or you can map, or else following references. Why it is not showing anything? Just a minute.
Yeah.
All sections means all will select. So following means you can go inside, I think.
Yeah.
For everyone. No. Something is not correct. So you will get a basically what will happen if you select no. Okay, test cases maybe. For each and every test case also you can select. Got it? I will show you 1 second. Because so many days happen, no? Even see some enhancements will be keep on going. Okay, in the tools also. So let me select the folder now. Inside the folder there is a test case already. Okay. So what you have to do, you can keep the references, notify by mail also. Okay. So maybe it is not giving access. Okay, it is given now. So you can mention the names or mail IDs over here if you want to keep for your lead or somebody, no? If you want to send a report, basically, you can give that. 1 second, I will guide you now correct way. All sections. Following section. All sections means maybe complete functional integration, everything it will take. If you want a particular section, you can select the login like that. I mean, particular login feature or sign up feature or something. No, for that you want to apply the traceability matrix, you can select that. Later, for myself, if you want this only for yourself or for everyone can see the report. Based on that, you can select now.
Yeah.
Right now, on demand via the API, don't select this. Don't. If you want the report every day, you can select this. Okay. No, we don't want. Whenever we want, we can. Right now only we want. So here you can mention your name. Previously, we used to mention mail IDs. I don't know why it is
Okay.
not showing the mail ID.
Okay.
Maybe if you take the real version, no, you
Mhm.
can mention your mail IDs as well. Click on add report.
Okay.
As soon as you click on add report, see here your report is generating.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. And this is a trial version.
Mhm.
It will take time. If it is a genuine version, no, it will not take time. You will get immediately. Here, okay, it is
Yeah.
generated. Thank God it is generated. You can see here,
Yeah.
covered. Only one test case is there.
Mhm.
Amazon login FT01. So SRS 1.1. So this is a requirement. For this requirement, we have a test case.
Mhm.
Yeah.
I created only one test case for this requirement, so it is showing.
Mhm.
But SRS 1 to SRS 5, I think I have taken. 1 second, I'll show you. So Amazon is there, milestone is there. So my sprint 1, okay. My sprint 1, I have mentioned the requirement, no? The release only, I think. SRS from where to where to where I have mentioned, no?
Mhm.
Where is that? Test runs 1, 2, no active milestones. Okay. Think it is not yet updated. 1 second. So you are started working means you can click on start. Okay. I mean, we are
Okay.
already writing the test scenarios, no? So we can start. This will be done by your manager or your scrum master. Once you started to work, no, you will click on start. We are working on a sprint 1, so we can start that. Now, what I'm thinking is we have mentioned some SRS 1 to something. We have mentioned no SRS 1 to SRS something.
Mhm.
Yes. SRS 1 to SRS 3.
Mhm.
Okay. SRS 1 to SRS 3, but here SRS only 1.1 is there. Got it?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
many SRSs we have to create, means so many test cases we have to create, but we have created only one test case.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You're getting no? So
Yes, sir.
what I'm telling is SRS 1 to SRS 3 is there, but I have
Yeah.
written only one test case for SRS 1.1.
Correct.
There are
Yeah.
SRS 2, SRS 3, there is no test cases. So by
Yeah.
looking into this report, you will get to know, okay, I have missed so many test cases. You can go and you can create that.
Yeah.
Got it? Huh?
Yes,
So
sir.
now no need of worrying that much. First, what you do
Mhm.
from the beginning, I'll get later. You can do it tomorrow also. Okay, in the next class, you click on
Mhm.
add project, create a project.
Mhm.
Once after creating the project, you have to create the release. You
Okay.
need to do by yourself. Okay, you need to click on new project here. So once you log in, no, you'll get a add
Mhm.
project. You need to click
Mhm.
on add project. You
Mhm.
create your own project with your name.
Okay.
Okay.
Add your name also, both of you. Give some
Okay.
announcements, select this first one, enable,
Okay.
click on add project, done.
Okay.
Once after project is created, later go inside the project, go to
Uh-huh.
milestones, create the
Uh-huh.
releases and
Uh-huh.
sprints.
Okay.
Okay.
Once after that is done, go to test cases, create the folders for each and every project. No, different folders will be there. My project is having these folders. Your
Mhm.
project you
Okay.
can create the folders based on the feature also. Create it.
Okay.
Later select the folder. Below the folder you should click on add case. Link will
Okay.
generate. Details enter. Later link will be generated. Click on that one. Later you should go here. Click on edit. Complete the test case. Once after completing the test case, save it. Later go for the same. Again, click on test cases once again, the major tab. Here there will be export button. Export it. review the test case, review after reviewing is done, review comments give. Once after fixing the review comments, you will get the approval later. Your test lead will change the status from what to what, from design to ready. You can execute
Yeah.
now. Okay.
Mhm.
After that, you can go to the reports. You can click on the coverage for references. You can select the section based on where you have written the test cases, mail IDs. You need to select all the checkboxes, these checkboxes and all.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah.
Generate the
Yeah.
report. Once after generating the report, you will get to know for how many requirements you are covered,
Okay.
how many test cases you have written, so how many missed. You will get to know. So for that, write the test cases.
Okay.
This much job you do for today.
Okay.
I want you to write at least 5 test cases now. You can write the test cases in the tool only. Got it?
Okay, sir.
So write it. This will be only 13 days or 14 days version. Okay. After 14
Okay.
days, you will lose the access of the application. So within that 14 days, you should be well thorough.
Okay.
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 Yes,
So
sir.
stop writing the test cases in the Excel. Start writing in
Okay.
this
Okay.
tool.
Yeah.
This is a test trail.
Mm-hmm.
Most leading company in India, most leading
Okay.
test case management tool in India. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So I have a question.
Similarly, your Jira will be there. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Same way will be there. Test cases. This complete section they will consider as a test cases. There is something called as defect.
Uh-huh.
Okay. There will be something called as requirement. If you want to
Uh-huh.
handle requirement, click on requirement. If you want to handle the defect, you click on defect. Got it?
Uh-huh.
Similarly, you will get all these modules as well.
Yeah. I have a question.
Yeah.
So the link you said it's good for 14 days. That's what you are
Yes.
saying?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So we have to enter our email address and the password you have shared, right?
No. Whatever
Okay.
email addresses I have given, same
Okay.
URL,
Okay. So
same
it will
username.
work?
Yeah, it will work. So, but you have to
Okay.
create the different projects, not
Okay.
Amazon. Okay.
Okay.
Create your own projects and do it.
Okay.
Okay.
And sir, in real